introduction. To the officers, to my classmate, Dr. Sosima Rosimo de Mandante, and to Mrs. Melchora Aquino Maranan. To Miss Angelina Beltran Duleg, and to all members of the Alumni Associations, especially to the class 76. Sorry. Maraming salamat po. To the staff, and faculty of West Central Elementary School, thank you for this occasion. Yes, as Manong Julian said, I am Dalisay Reyes Aliado. Oh yeah, married to the best man in our class. Ronald Aliado. Thank you for the love, to the care through all these years. I would also want to thank my sister, Liliwa Reyes Villagmesa, for coming with me when my husband wasn't able to travel at this time since he has obligations at home. And to my brother-in-law, Father Christian Villagmesa, for driving us around here and in Manila. Kasi talaga hindi ako makakapag-drive dito sa Pilipinas. And to my brother, class 74, thank you for supporting our stay here in the Philippines. It feels like it was just yesterday when we first entered the portal of this institution. Yet, looking around now, yung mga wrinkles natin, it is also feels like it's a lifetime away ago. My husband told me to write my speech like a miniskirt. Bakit miniskirt? Sabi ko, why do I need to write my speech like a miniskirt? She said, it's long enough to cover the subject, but short enough to create a thunder. Tumawa naman kayo. He reminded me to think of those days through thought would never end, and yet here we are, realizing how fast time flew, and it's like someone had pushed that fast forward button. Those elementary years, our formative years, shape us to who we are today. It feels like it is a lifetime away, but looking at it, it is just, most probably, feels like it was just yesterday. Those elementary years, our formative years, shape who we are today. It feels like, yes, a lifetime since we played the Duskaban, Linatuan, and Combato. We were remembering that with Jocelyn and Rowena a while ago. Carefree days shared with friends younger and older than us. Let us also take a moment to remember our dear classmates who have gone before us. To Pauline Marcos, Villagros Ramos, Roger De La Cruz, and to those older than us, Manang Cletofel Verdadero, class 75, and many others we held deeply in our hearts. Lord, please bless them. Let us look back on those innocent days when our biggest problem was choosing which friends to join during a kinuntraan. For no reason at all, we had Contabida. And remember when we drank water with a cup hands from the manual bomba at the West Central Elementary School without thinking of sanitation. Thank you, Manju. Thinking of E. coli or even C. difficile. Fast forward today, we have traveled far, built families, lived full lives, but when I look around, I still see the same faces, just with few charming wrinkles. Maniwala kayo naman. We have many wonderful memories to share, and yes, some sad ones too. I was volunteered to give an inspirational speech tonight, so I reflected especially for those younger generation with us after the dance that I saw today. To speak about work, building your own future through hard work. As Steve Jobs said, work is going to fill a large part of your life. And the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is a great work. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. As with all the matters of the heart, you will know when you find it. So, mga younger ones, mga kapatid, think of it. For those already retired, volunteering with our Alumni Association is also a great work. Work guides us for our kapalaran. Kapalaran is nasa ating mga kamay, hindi sa palm reading, but kundi sa trabaho ng ating mga kamay. Friends often ask us, how did you do it? And I answer, kapalaran. Kapalaran in your hands. We journeyed from younger to explore world to become senior citizen o post-senior citizen na po kami, recalling the good old times. Coming back to this school, the one that formed us, remind us of where it all began. And maybe this will help convince my husband next time I will get an invitation, or we will get an invitation. Hard work is the key to success. It transforms dreams into reality through dedication, discipline, and persistence, guided by the Lord. God's guidance is often it's a quiet force that leads us through both planned and unexpected moments. Be grateful for what kapalaran you have worked for and your accomplishments. Life has highs and lows, and often we don't understand their meanings, and we only understand their meanings only when we look back and see how every choice, every struggle, and every coincidence in the end, our kapalaran becomes the story of who we become through the hard work that we dare to do. In closing, I am proud to be born in Dingras. I've been nurse leader for a year, and I have hired thousands and thousands of nurses and Filipino workers. I am really proud to be being born in the 60s, completing my elementary and high school here is truly a grace of God. Filipinos have worldwide vast talent, and Dingreños are the pride of Ilocos. Whether in Hawaii, New York, or California, or even in the Middle East, many who have been usual and have worked for a lifetime, you can see Filipinos around. We have come a long way, and despite moments when we felt that we haven't achieved as much as we hoped for, this gathering us, how far we have truly have become. And as I end, I will borrow the words of my husband again. Please, tumawa naman kayo. If at first you don't succeed, then he said, skydiving isn't for you. Thank you and enjoy the evening.
Saan?